Shiba Inu is going to make some insane profits by Robinhood. I am not making this up. Major price activity is what we're anticipating. That is not all. It has just started. However, this is only scratching the surface. Some crazy things are happening this week for the Shiba Inu development team. But what is happening in reality? Okay, I'll try to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. For Shiba Inu, this is a watershed event. In a single transaction, 5.58 billion Shiba Inu tokens, worth more than $100,000, were irretrievably lost, according to Shiba Burn, our trusted burn tracker for Shiba Inu. This shocking occurrence was reported yesterday. A historic step at a time when the circulating supply of Shiba Inu directly affects its prospective price rise. The main issue now is who started this fire. The Shiba Inu community was all abuzz with hypotheses at first, with Binance being the most likely candidate. There is proof that Binance sponsored the wallet that was burned, leading prominent community leaders like Lola to suspect that Binance was involved. A tidal wave of enthusiasm has been generated by this purchase. Since Lucy, the head of marketing for Shiba Inu, expressed shock at the severity of the burn, it is evident that everyone on the Shiba Inu team is keeping a careful eye on the situation. While the community searches for answers, the importance of this fire remains indisputable. Because of this, the value of Shiba Inu may rise in the future due to the breed's increased rarity. Later on, however, it became clear that someone else is responsible for this fire. It turned out that the folks behind a viral currency with a cat motif started the fire. 2 minutes after the burn, the team wrote an X-post confirming this, but one of the Shiba Inu's former accounts issued an urgent warning to be careful. According to what they claim, certain projects take advantage of these major fires to attract Shiba Army members with low-quality tokens or pre-sales. Neither this nor any subsequent occurrences will be unprecedented. A $100,000 burn may seem big, but it's really just a distraction tactic. Please take a moment to survey the landscape before diving in headfirst. Despite this, the unanticipated burn is increasing optimism about the Shiba Inu's future. But a surprise change is appearing in the present price chart. The value of Shiba Inu has dropped somewhat. Tell me what's going on. As Bitcoin surged beyond the $88,000 mark, the whole crypto industry, including Shiba Inu, felt a surge of optimism. Riding the optimism tsunami caused by Bitcoin's ascent, which propelled other cryptocurrencies into promising positions, Shiba Inu began exhibiting actual strength. A golden cross would be a huge positive indication, and investors were hoping that this may be the beginning of a long-term uptrend for Shiba Inu. However, here is where events diverged. The momentum of Shiba Inu was affected by Bitcoin's inability to stay above $88,000, which caused a delay in the confirmation of that golden cross and halted any possible rise. While the current price decline is disheartening, it is indicative of the market's reluctance to commit fully when Bitcoin approaches and fails to maintain its all-time highs. Shiba Inu can't make the most of a golden cross and keep going upward until Bitcoin settles down and, preferably, breaks out over $88,000 once again. This would boost confidence among investors everywhere. In such case, Shiba Inu may have a resurgence in purchasing interest, which would put it in a better position to overcome the 4 zeros, the next level of resistance. On the other hand, if prices go below the key support level, it may indicate a pullback before trying to climb again, which would further turn mood sour. There are 2 obvious red flags for Shiba Inu right now. To begin with, the price movement itself. Shiba Inu fell 2% the day before. Despite Shiba Inu's best efforts over the last 20 hours, the stock has failed to regain its previous level, suggesting that selling pressure remains high. A further fall in Shiba Inu prices is possible if bears continue to dominate bulls, and an even more precipitous drop is possible if support stays weak. The second warning sign is the actions of big holders. A negative flow of almost 800 billion Shiba Inu has occurred in the previous 2 days in major Shiba Inu wallets, defined as those holding 0.1% or more of the circulating supply. Major investors are likely deciding to sell off their holdings at high resistance levels to avoid a further decline in price, which is a typical indicator of selling pressure. Some of the largest players are still being cautious, opting to sell and watch instead of hanging on for a breakthrough, as seen by this conduct despite the recent euphoria. This is a watershed moment for Shiba Inu because of these changes. The breakdown of these critical support levels might herald impending market turmoil. Shiba Inu prices could level off, however, as the market's confidence returns and big holders get back in. However, the community's resiliency often emerges at these high-stakes times, molding Shiba Inu's future even if the road ahead may seem somewhat turbulent. At times like these, however, Lucy jumps in with a crucial word of warning, urging everyone, but notably those who are new to the market, to keep in mind the basics. Though succinct, her message packs a punch. Due to the great potential for loss, you should never put more money into cryptocurrency than you can afford to lose. She's basically advising everyone to have a patient, long-term view and act like an investor rather than a gambler in this market. There is no better moment than now for Lucy's message. A careful and cautious approach usually pays off for Shiba Inu and crypto in general. Therefore, you shouldn't be rattled by today's price reduction. With so many promising developments coming up for Shiba Inu in the near future, this drop might be nothing more than that. In honor of Japan's Dog Day, SBI Trading, a cryptocurrency exchange in Japan, is launching 2 special events that will include tokens with Shiba Inu themes, Doge, and Shiba Inu. A social media contest and a trade contest are part of this week-long initiative that aims to encourage engagement in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Prizes will be awarded. For example, the Doggy Contest is an easy-to-understand social media challenge that offers players the chance to win Amazon gift cards by sharing photographs created by artificial intelligence. On the other hand, the Shiba Inu token dog race is a trading incentive for those who are actively purchasing Shiba Inu on the market, since it gives them a chance to win new tokens. This trading contest and the fact that SBI Trade is supporting Shiba Inu with freebies and a consistent demand demonstrate their dedication to the breed. This is not an arbitrary occurrence. SBI Trading has put a lot of effort into marketing the Shiba Inu, with ads that have celebrated Kabasuchin's birthday and a loan scheme that lets customers earn passive money with their dogs. With backing like this, Shiba Inu isn't your average meme currency. It has evolved from a meme into a utility token and is now making waves in the cryptocurrency industry. Even if the pricing hasn't caught up to these new advances just yet, Shiba Inu might see consistent demand in the future because to their growing popularity and practicality. Despite what the market pricing may be telling you, Shiba Inu may be able to attract additional investors and gain momentum with SBI's backing. By the way, speaking of trades, Robinhood just gave Shiba Inu an unexpected nod today. The fact that exchanges don't tend to single out tokens at random makes this a very encouraging development. They often highlight coins that they are planning to launch, which is very noteworthy but somewhat speculative. Shiba Inu and Dogecoin were highlighted in a recent Robinhood article that provided a summary of the history and current state of the leading meme currencies. What really made Robinhood stand out, however, was his dedication to Shiba Inu. They were impressed by how Shiba Inu has grown from a 2020 community-driven meme coin to a significant project with distinctive products like SHIBASWAP. The role of Shiba Inu, according to Robinhood, is to make meme currencies more than simply temporary tokens and to reawaken interest in them. Robinhood correctly recognized Shiba Inu's revolutionary influence on the meme currency scene by noting that it established a new standard for meme currencies. In light of all these impending changes, the future of the Shiba Inu's value seems promising. A bullish flag has been detected on the 3-day chart of Shiba Inu, suggesting that there is a chance for a breakthrough above important resistance levels. This was seen shortly after the Robinhood update. And respected crypto analyst named Clifton X recently presented a bullish flag formation chart to his X followers in an effort to shed light on the market. The green zone on the chart represents the expected move, which suggests that Shiba Inu may possibly climb significantly, around 89% from where it is now. The Shiba Inu price pattern has defined strong support and resistance levels, with the pattern's defining features being a falling channel and parallel trend lines. The price's proximity to the upper border indicates that it may test resistance soon. As discussions over the Shiba Inu's future and recognition in the cryptocurrency sector continue, this study takes on even greater importance. However, how do you feel about that? Post your ideas in the comments section. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.